Hello everyone, in this demonstration, we will show you the complete recipe entry process on the server side of the manual ingredient system. First, we need to enter the system account and password. After inputting, we need to click to log into the system. After entering the system, we will see the homepage of the system. Then we need to click on Recipe Management in the menu bar on the left side of the system. Then click on Main Recipe Management. Enter the recipe management page. After entering, we need to click the Add button. Then you need to select a product. After selecting the product, we need to enter the formula number and formula name. After completing the input of recipe information, we need to decide on the method of ingredient selection and whether to keep the recipe confidential. Finally, we need to input whether the ingredients are added in the correct order according to the recipe. After completing the filling of recipe parameters, we need to submit the recipe. Upon completion of recipe submission, it will be displayed on the recipe page. Then we need to click on the Modify button for the recipe. After entering the recipe page, we need to click on Batch Add. In the process of adding, we need to select the corresponding material. After selecting the material, we need to fill in the standard value for each material as well as its upper and lower tolerances. After filling it out, we need to confirm one of its ingredient serial numbers. Finally, click Submit. After submission is completed, we need to go to the Recipe Review section in the left menu bar. Enter the review page. We need to select the formulas to be reviewed. You can check whether the parameters entered in the recipe are correct. Confirm no error. Click to pass. Upon approval, return to the recipe management page. Check if the recipe status is activated. After confirming activation, this recipe can be enabled.